Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another exciting video where we will be doing a full coverage makeup. Now basically I go for a very medium coverage makeup, but today we are gonna go all full. So basically whatever products I will be using in this video, they are like one swipe full coverage products. I have never done this kind of video, so I'm really excited, and I really don't think that it is so available on YouTube. It just randomly came into my mind because I was going through my vanity and I just saw that I have so many full coverage makeup, so I'm really excited to use those products in this video. So if you're interested to know what are the products that I'm gonna use for the full coverage makeup, then please keep on watching. Now for moisturizer and primer, they are nothing to be full coverage, so I'm gonna go with some basic thing. So firstly I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and also for primer I'm gonna use a silicone based primer. This is the Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. It's not really over the top, okay? So I'm just gonna blend it all over on my face. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go with two foundations, although you can use it separately as well because they are itself full coverage foundation. And I'm talking about Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation and Milani Full Coverage Foundation. Both of them are full coverage, so you can go separately as I have mentioned. But today we are gonna mix this on the back of my hand because these two shades, when I mix these two shades, they are just too perfect for my skin. So I really like the finish, that's why. I'm gonna stripe it across my face before blending it. As you guys can see, the shade is very beautiful. I'm living for this shade and this is the exact match of my skin. I feel like that. I'm gonna blend this foundation with the help of a beauty blender, although you can use whatever foundation brush or whatever beauty blender that you prefer, but I'm gonna use my wet YVP sponge because I like the finish of beauty blender. I think I have taken a little bit extra foundation, but it's okay. We are gonna blend this all over on our face, so it's not a problem. Okay guys, so we have dyed down the foundation. As you guys can see, now it's looking pretty presentable. The first step gone extremely wrong, so we are not gonna go with a concealer because it's already looking all over the face highlighting, and I'm not gonna go for highlighting concealer. I had something in mind, but we are gonna skip that. Today we are gonna go with the contouring and bronzing both, but first step is contouring, of course, and I'm gonna take my first ever contour product that I have ever purchased from a drugstore brand, and I'm gonna talk about this sugar contour stick in the shade Espresso Age. It's one swipe and you are done. It's full creamy formula and full coverage as well. So guys, as you can see, I have striped only one stroke on each side. So now we are gonna blend this. You will see on real time how easily it blends, and one stroke is how much pigmented. As you guys can see, it blended out so easily, so that's what I was saying. One stroke is enough. So if you're willing to invest in a contour product which is like full coverage contour product, I think you should go for the sugar one. A Lakme product that I love with all my heart has to be this 925 compact powder. This is full coverage compact powder. This is exactly similar to the MAC Studio Fix compact powder. I have also duped it in my dupe video, so if you haven't watched it, you should go and watch it. But it's full coverage compact powder, guys. I don't think you need any additional foundation or anything. I just did the foundation for the sake of the video, but whenever I go out and whenever I am using this powder, because it's very full coverage compact powder, so I'm gonna take this with the help of my beauty blender as well, because I really don't like the sponge that comes with this product. I have tried for a couple of times, as you can see, but I'm not the biggest fan of the applicator, so I like to go with my beauty blender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of that. As you guys can see, I have just swiped twice, and this is the coverage that it provides. It's very full coverage, as I have mentioned. It's a little bit, like tad bit yellowish than the foundation that I have used previously, because as you have seen, the Huda Beauty I have taken 2 pump and the Milani I have taken 1 pump, but that gone extremely wrong. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna set my whole face just to make it a little bit tad yellow, because I'm from warm undertone, so it's just look perfect. And if I just use any neutral tone, it just doesn't go. And I like to use the darker foundation, not the lighter foundation, because I'm happy with my skin tone and I don't go overboard. So I'm gonna dye it down, basically the foundation, and also I need something powdery because my skin type is oily. As I have mentioned in my videos, I always mention this, that I have so many oil glands that America can invade me at any point of time. I just like to set my whole face with compact powder, and this is a very full coverage, so I'm going very light handedly. As you guys can see, I'm also gonna set my eyelid with the compact powder, although I like to set my eyelid with translucent powder because that actually works for me. Oily skin life, what can I do? Now, as you guys can see in real time, it is looking very warm right now, similar to my skin tone. I'm really liking this finish currently. As I have mentioned, I have used all the full coverage products, so I am looking so snatched and very flawless right now. Whenever I do my makeup, I go for a very medium coverage, so pimples, breakouts and all of that can see through. So right now it's looking very snatched and you cannot see any pimple causing marks all over on my face. I'm really liking this look. After that, definitely I'm gonna go with the bronzer, and for that I'm gonna use my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Again, it's a very potent product, okay? So you need a tiniest amount of this product and you are good to go. So basically I like to use this just because of the smell of this product, because this is so yummy. I mean, this smells so yummy. Technically or logically, you don't need a full coverage bronzer because that will give you a very harsh look, right? I don't think we have any full coverage bronzer in our life because it doesn't make any sense. As you guys can see, my bronzing is done. Now we are gonna go with the eyes. Now I'm not sure how the eyes will come up, so that's why I didn't do my blush and highlighter. We will be matching that up with our eyes. Now for eyebrow, I'm gonna go with my PAC Walnut Wax. As you know, I love this stuff, no debate about it. If you want that full coverage and pigmented eyebrow pomade, you need this in your life. I cannot stop recommending you guys. This is very potent product, and one swipe is completely okay to fill in your one eyebrow. And baat karte karte, we are so close to each other because I'm gonna move on to my eyes, as I have mentioned. And for that, I am gonna take this angular brush, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take a nice amount of this product and I'm gonna take it in here, and I'm just gonna cover my brush nicely so that the brush has a nice amount of product and I can go in one go. As you guys can see in real time, one time it's done. It's very pigmented. That's what I was saying. Now if you ask me to have a palette which will last like forever, I will definitely suggest you to go for any palettes from Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place palettes are like top notch, okay? Their pigmentation, their all of the things are very beautiful. As you guys can see, it has beautiful colors. This particular product give you full coverage, okay, in one go. You don't need to dip your brush once again into the product. And basically from Juvia's Place palettes, I also like the Huda Beauty, but I don't think Huda Beauty gives you that much pigmentation in one go that Juvia's Place does. So my preference is Juvia's Place for sure. Firstly, I'm gonna take this beautiful pink color, and as you guys have seen, I didn't use any eyeshadow primer today, okay? That's something that you need to focus. I hope you focused when I used my foundation and powder and all of that stuff. I'm gonna go for a very simple look, although very colorful look as well. I love colors. After that, I'm gonna take this beautiful violet shade with the same brush. I'm gonna place it on the middle portion of my eyes. After that, I'm gonna go on with this shade right here. It's very beautiful sea blue. As you guys can see, I'm blending the color with one another. I have just placed the blue shade on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid and also slightly on the crease line, just to give a beautiful ombre look. I'm also gonna place the same color in the same ratio on the lower lash line as well. And lastly, we are gonna blend the colors all together so that there is no harsh line in between the colors. After that, I'm gonna take this color to highlight my inner corner. Woo! It's pigmented. Alright, so we are back within a second, didn't we? So now we are gonna go with a mascara, and for that I'm gonna use my Sugar Up Down Curl Mascara. Not the biggest fan of this, have to start off by saying that, but we are gonna go with the falsies, so I don't really care. I just need to finish it up. So much of a money, so it's just a tinted liner, does nothing. As you guys can see in real time. As you guys can see, even after 2 coats, it didn't do anything really. So I think I'm gonna stop right there. Now I really don't know how to pronounce this. This is the Make Create Falsies from Amazon. This is the 5 pair of lashes. As you can see, recently I have purchased it, and I must say, you guys, just go for it, okay? I'm not gonna lie, guys, I have found out some amazing lashes from Flipkart as well, but they were much more expensive, and with this price range I think they are selling some amazing lashes. The wand is so beautiful, so thin, so lightweight on the lashes, doesn't feel heavy, and so beautiful quality as well. Basically what I do, firstly I apply the blush then highlighter, but today we are going to go reverse. So firstly we are going to apply the highlighter, and for highlighter I have my Lakme Sheer right here. This is very pigmented, okay? But I have to say that I'm not the biggest fan of this applicator because it's too tough to apply, to be very honest, but I really like this loose highlighter. I really like the highlighter as well, that's why I also have that, but I rarely use that because that's very pricey. But I have to say I'm not the biggest fan of the highlighter. Whenever you try to apply the highlighter on a specific place, what happens, it just, you know, applies everywhere because of this big applicator. You just have to focus on this particular place, which is like very much of a work. Now for blush, I'm gonna use my Palladio matte blush. Not the biggest fan of blush. I'm not a blushy person because with my skin tone you cannot expect a flushed cheek, so it looks very odd though. But just to make it look more cohesive, we just like to go with a little bit of blush, not a lot. Also a little bit on the nose tip. If you are up for a full coverage lipstick, you cannot skip your MAC RMLL. I love this tub. This is full coverage in one go. So beautiful. I am in the shade today, Burnt Spice. It's very nude, so I'm gonna top it off with MAC Ladybug Bullet Lipstick. A little bit, not too much. Now guys, as you can see, I have overlined my lips a little bit. I know I have seen so many people, okay, they are doing overlining and they look so bomb, but whenever I try to do overline on my lips, I just look like a raccoon. I don't know, I mean, it has to be me. Only I don't look good after overlining my lips, and I think today I'm also not looking good, but I'm just gonna set this whole look with this Color Bar fixing spray. I am really liking this spray recently. I don't know what's wrong with me. I am really liking this spray. So yeah, this is my final finished look. What you guys think about this look, do let me know in the comment section because I'm loving this look. And as you guys can see, the main motive of this video, the full coverage, you cannot see any flaws. Although I like flaws, I don't go for full coverage makeup all the day. It is totally not possible, first of all. So it's just for fun. If you are attending any special occasion and if you are interested to do a full face makeup, this will be a perfect one for you guys. All the links will be provided in the description box except the Juvia's Place one, because Juvia's Place is currently not shipping in India when I'm posting this. After 2 or 3 months I will be giving the link in the description box, okay? And I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, if you are new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. You have no idea how much. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.